Hi, in this chapter we are doing the surface area of pyramids and cones. Previously we have learned total surface area and how to find the total surface areas of prisms and cylinder. So in this chapter we are doing finding the TSA, the total surface area of a cone. Yeah, there are many ways to do it, but the simplest way is to, for example, if we have a question, this question is to find the TSA of the cone below. Yep. If we look at this cone, it has a radius of 2 centimeters and a slant height of 5.5 centimeters. Yep. So the surface area of the cone is practically really easy. There's only two surfaces, okay? The curved surface and the base surface area, which is actually a circle. So to find the TSA is actually pi r squared. Pi r squared is actually the area of the circle, which is the bottom part, and pi rs. Pi rs is the curved surface area. So we can actually factorize this two so that it becomes pi r plus s. Yeah. So to answer the question of how to find the TSA of this cone, we just have to substitute the values of the radius and the slant height into the formula. So just substitute it into this formula and get the final answer. Yeah. So sometimes we have to be really careful that sometimes the question might not put sort of like the area of the slant height, but they might be putting the area of the horizontal height. We cannot use this as the s value. Yeah. So if the sort of like this height is given, we actually have to do an extra step. Yeah. So you have to use a Pythagoras theorem to sort of solve it and to find sort of the value of the slant height. Yeah. So again, it's the value of the slant height that you have to put into the formula here. Yeah. So if we change the question a bit, yeah, and said that given that the total surface area of a cone is 15 pi centimeters square and its radius is 2 centimeters. Actually, I'm referring back to the answer that I found, which is the TSA of a cone is actually 15 pi centimeters square. The radius is 2 centimeters. What is the slant height of the cone? So we are actually finding this. We know that the answer is 5.5. It's just that how do we do a question like that? Yeah. So we know that TSA equals to pi r plus s. So this is what I did. I just copy the formula here, copy and paste. So it's right here. So total surface area is 15 pi centimeters square equals to pi, radius is 2, bracket 2, which is my radius again, plus s. And if I actually simplify this, it's 2 pi 2 plus s. Yeah. And then if I compare the left hand side with the right hand side, and I actually do like a cross multiply, it's going to be 15 pi divided by 2 pi equals to 2 plus s. 15 pi over 2 pi can be simplified to become 7.5 equals to 2s, and therefore my slant height will be 5.5 centimeter, which is over here. Yeah. To find the total surface area of the pyramid, okay, there are many types of pyramid available, and I'm showing you the simplest one, which is a square-based pyramid. However, pyramids can have a rectangular base. It can have a triangular base. It works the same as well. So if we look at the net of this pyramid, yeah, the TSA of a pyramid will be we actually have to find the areas of all the sides of the pyramid. Yeah. So in this simple example, we know that the area of the base of this pyramid is 6 by 6. So 6 times 6 gives us 36 centimeters square. The area of the four triangles, because this pyramid has the same sort of like slant height and the side length. Okay, I will say that the four areas of the areas of the four triangles are actually the same. Yep. So all I have to do is 4 times half times base times height, which is 60 centimeters square. So to find the TSA, I just have to add the area of the base with the areas of the four triangles together, and this will be the value of my TSA. Yeah. One thing that we have to be very careful about is, do you realize that for the triangle over here, the 5 centimeter is actually the sort of like the slant length and not the height of this the pyramid. If the height of the pyramid is given again, okay, maybe you have to do a Pythagoras theorem or something to get this height. So it's this one that we want because this is actually the shape of the triangle. Yeah. So hopefully you understand what I'm doing, and if you don't, just put into the comments. I'll do more to help you with this. Yeah. So this is the end of the chapter. See you next time.